going to be drawing a police car. So let's get started. So first we're going to be drawing the wheel. I'm going to be using a cap. Now let's draw the other wheel. So now we are going to be drawing the tires. Now we are going to be drawing the tire in the other wheel. Now we're going to be drawing a little dot in the inside of the wheels. Now let's color them in. So now we're going to connect those wheels. Now we're going to be drawing a line on top of it. Now we are going to be drawing a line like this. Do that same thing on the other side. Now we're going to be drawing a line up, down like that. Now we're going to be drawing a line coming up. Now let's draw the body of the car. Now we're going to be drawing a diagonal line. Like that. Now we're going to drawing a straight line like this. So you need to draw a diagonal line like that. Now let's connect that line. Now let's draw the window. So first we're going to be drawing a line like this. It's going to be the same thing as the top line that we did. Now we're going to be drawing a diagonal line like this on both sides. Now let's connect the bottom. Now let's draw the headlight and the tail light. So we're going to be drawing a line like this coming out in the front, then going back down, like that. But I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to make it a little bit thinner. You can do the same thing on the back and the front. So now we're going to be drawing a line like this. going to be going all the way to the bottom. So now we're going to be drawing a line like this. Now let's draw the siren. So I'm going to be drawing a line like this and another line like that. Drawing a line like that. And doing that. Doing that. And connect the top. So now it's time to color. So we are going to first be outlining and then be coloring. And for the colors, we're going to be using blue, red, black, and yellow. And another black marker for the outlining. So now let's start outlining. Now it's time to color. So I drew a star and I outlined it. You can outline it too if you want to. So this is how it looks like, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends. Bye!